we stayed. That's a single bathroom which all of us used. And check this out, the clouds on top of us. Sorry, we on top of the clouds. And just check out Vijay shouting over here, shouting for his life, seeing this glorious sight over here. And see the sun coming up right now. And he's still running. I'm trying to capture every of his movements over here. Come here, come here. Stand over here and jump. Good man, good man, good.
Come, well,
and now wait, come here.
Give it to me,
now covering the clouds and he's still running around. What a scene is this?
Go same, I'll just cover.
Okay.
And me over here. Check out this man.
Hi, this is Vijay, Vikas.